National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton, or 11 miles northwest of Bridgeton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Salem, Woodstown, Alloway, Clinton, Elmer, Shiloh, Hancock's Bridge, Newport Meadows, Olivet, Seabrook Farms, and Centerton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland and Salem.